Efficient power management is crucial for cost-effective operation in high-power consumption industries. To meet this need, Molex offers the PowerWize High-Current Wire-to-Board Wire-to-Busbar Connectors. Available in 6mm and 8mm sizes, these connectors deliver up to 190 amperes of current and are mechanically keyed to prevent mismating during system integration. The COEUR socket provides low contact resistance and low voltage drop at the interface due to its multiple contact beams. Additionally, PowerWize headers and receptacles are designed to meet industry-standard touch-safe requirements. Screw-mount headers can attach easily to printed circuit boards or bus bars and accept a wide range of AWG wires. For high-power wire-to-board or wire-to-busbar interconnects, Molex's PowerWize connectors are the go-to choice. For more information about Molex's PowerWize connectors, visit DigiKey.com.